Hi, I'm Lynn from Lynn Wilson Designs, and I'd like to tell you about my pattern, Origami. In this pattern you will learn a fun technique to fold 2.5-inch strips for the centre of the blocks. Then you'll add folded triangles to each corner to complete the design. This would be a great place to add some decorative stitching, as I have done on this block. Or if you prefer, you can just use a straight stitch. These blocks use lots of different fabrics from your stash. The scrappier the quilt is, the better it will look. So have fun playing with your fabric collection. It is super easy to sew for all skill levels, and when finished, your quilt won't need any batting or quilting. How great is that? The pattern includes complete instructions for making the blocks and assembling the quilt. You can make as many blocks as you like for a quilt, or just a few blocks for a pillow or a table runner. Try not to be overly matchy-matchy when you choose your fabrics for the blocks. Just have fun and enjoy the process playing with fabrics. Ask for the Origami pattern at your local quilt shop or find it at byannie.com.